Welcome. If you're tired of hearing that outgoing ring sound every time you start a call on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable notification sounds for outgoing rings on the Discord app for PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started and make your Discord experience a little quieter. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. You'll see your server list and chat windows as usual. Next, look down at the bottom left corner of the Discord window. Here you'll find your username and avatar. Right next to them is a small gear icon. This is the user settings button. Click on that gear icon to open up your settings menu. Once you're inside the user settings, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section called Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all of your notification preferences. Now, you'll see a section labeled Sounds. This area controls all the different notification sounds Discord can play. Look for the option called Outgoing Ring. This is the sound that plays every time you start a call with someone or a group. To disable it, simply click the toggle switch next to Outgoing Ring. When the toggle is off, the sound will no longer play when you make calls. It's that easy. You can also explore other sound options here if you want to further customize your Discord notifications. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the outgoing ring notification sound on Discord. No more unnecessary noise when you start a call. Just a smoother, more peaceful experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter Discord sessions.